In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Edge. This tool is a fantastic addition for those who use Microsoft Edge frequently. It's like having a personal assistant just a few clicks away, ready to make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. To get started, you'll first need to open up Microsoft Edge on your computer or laptop. It doesn't matter whether you're using Windows or Mac, Microsoft Edge works seamlessly across both platforms. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top of the browser window. You'll notice a search bar which reads "Search the Web." This is your standard gateway to exploring the internet. But today, we're focusing right beside it, where you'll see the icon for Microsoft Copilot. The icon might look like a small, unassuming image, but it holds a powerhouse of functionality. Click on this icon, and you'll instantly see the Copilot panel pop up within the frame of Microsoft Edge. This is where the magic happens. With the Copilot feature, you have an AI assistant integrated directly into your browser. You can now ask it to perform a host of actions without ever having to switch windows or applications. Whether you want a web page summarized, have specific questions answered, need help generating content, or are in search of new ideas to fuel your brainstorming sessions, Microsoft Copilot has your back. Consider it an extended arm of your browsing capabilities. Instead of jumping between different pages or platforms, let Copilot streamline your tasks. The convenience of having this AI tool right within your browser cannot be overstated, as it ultimately saves you time and improves your productivity. And just like that, you have enabled Copilot in Microsoft Edge to become your digital assistant for online tasks. It's a simple setup that opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, I encourage you to give this video a thumbs up. Sharing it with your friends can also spread the word about this amazing tool that can revolutionize the way they use Microsoft Edge. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tips and tutorials so you can keep your tech skills sharp and up to date. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.